I get hundreds of thousands of views on my channel and make thousands of dollars from ad revenue. But YouTube ad revenue isn't the only way that I make money from my channel. Here's how much I've made from the tool I'll be showing you today. The truth is, there are many ways to monetize your channel, and in this video, I'm going to break down a monetization method that nobody's talking about. Email marketing. If you're not funneling your YouTube audience into an email list, you're leaving serious money on the table. Here's how to go about it. Step 1. Set up the basics. The first thing you need is a source of traffic, whether it's your blog, TikTok, or YouTube channel. I've made tons of videos on how to start and grow a faceless YouTube automation to help you with this, so check them out on my channel. In your videos and descriptions, add a call to action encouraging people to sign up for your email list. You can collect email addresses using free tools like Google Forms, JotForm, or MailChimp. Once you've created an email capture form, make sure to link it in the description of your videos so that people can click on it and put in their names and email addresses. Now that you have a source of traffic and your email capture form ready, click the link in the description to head over to Hoppy Copy. This AI tool has saved me hours of time by writing my emails for me so that they sound good, look good, and most importantly, persuade people to click on my links so that I make money through affiliate marketing. Click on Start Writing, free up here. Then, sign up for a free account with your Google account or with your email address. Once you're in, you'll be asked a few questions so that Hoppy Copy can help you in the best way. For the questions, you can answer YouTube, send or automate emails, marketing emails, I don't have one yet, and 1 to 100 for your email list size if you're just starting out. Pick Just Me for company size, and then Business Owner. Then, click on Get Started, and you'll be on your dashboard. Take a look around. Hoppy Copy offers quite a few features that might be helpful to you, like writing social media posts and creating AI images. Once you're familiar with Hoppy Copy, move on to the next step. Step 2. Create an email sequence with Hoppy Copy. Click on Tools, Writing, then on Sequence Creator. Then, click here to look through the different sequence types. To promote affiliate links or your own digital products in your emails, you'll want to start with the lead nurture sequence types. Let's go for the classic lead nurture. Now, in the details section, we can answer these questions. As an example, let's say you have a channel that's all about productivity tips, and you want to promote the standing desk for people to be more productive when they're working from home. You'd sign up to be an Amazon associate and get your affiliate link for this product. Once you have your affiliate link and the details to hand, go back to Hoppy Copy and let's fill this box out. Just fill out the brackets with the information you have about your product, target audience, topic, and objective. For the tone, we can pick from one of these options, or you can create a custom brand voice. I'll go for witty. You can also include images by selecting this option here. Then, you can pick between speed or depth here, depending on whether you want the email sequence quickly or if you want more depth. Let's go for depth. Click on Create. Hoppy Copy will get to work and map out days of emails with details on what to include in each email. You don't have to think about it at all because Hoppy Copy maps everything out for you. Of course, you can edit each of the templates and add sections. Once you're happy with the template, you can generate the email. For example, we can click on Write here for the Day 1 template. In seconds, Hoppy Copy will write it out for you. This is genuinely impressive. It's written in a way that I could never think of, and it uses psychological tactics that make readers want to learn more and buy using your affiliate link. Write out all of your emails with Hoppy Copy and make sure to include your affiliate link in the email for people to click on. Once you've finalized your sequence emails, move on to the next step. Step 3. Send your emails. You have two options here. You can send your emails directly to your audience with Hoppy Copy, or you can use a platform like MailChimp or Zapier to send the emails. If you want to use Hoppy Copy, click on Publisher up here. Click on Edit Theme and customize it here if you want to. Or you can click on these 3 lines here, click on All Themes, and pick from one of these options, like 100 million offers. Select that, customize it the way you want, and then click on Save. Now, go to your dashboard, click on Audiences, People, and then Add a Person. You can manually type in their name and email address. Or you can click on Import from CSV and add that in if you already have a list of contacts from your email capture form. Now, click on My Content, click on your sequence, and go to your first email. Click on Publisher and then on Send Test Email. If you want to automate and send emails directly from Hoppy Copy, you'll need to upgrade your account. The plans start from only around $40 a month, and it means that you'll have everything in one place, which is convenient and saves time. Let's recap the process. Your YouTube videos bring in viewers. Those description links and calls to action push them to sign up using your email capture form. Then, Hoppy Copy writes emails for you to turn subscribers into buyers, and you send them out. Let's say your channel gets 10,000 views a month, which isn't crazy with how many people use YouTube daily. If just 10% of those viewers sign up, that's 1,000 subscribers. If 5% of them buy something worth $50, an affiliate link, a course, whatever, that's 50 sales. That's $2,500 in a month. Keep that going every month, and you're at $30,000 a year. Compare that to ad revenue, which might pay you a few $100 for the same views, and it's clear where the real money is. To keep it flowing, post at least once a week on YouTube and create a new email sequence to be sent out either every week or every month. It's a system that runs itself once you set it up. If you have any questions about this process or how to grow your YouTube channel, click the link in the description to join our community. Inside the Scale Society, we share exclusive tips and updates on growing automated channels, making money online, and we even do weekly giveaways. Will you be giving email marketing a try? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there.